So guys, welcome to 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏 AI. If you're not familiar with trading bots allow you to basically put your trading on autopilot, and that saying perfectly fits the theme of 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏. So 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏 is an AI trading bot. It uses artificial intelligence as well as its own built strategies to read the market and to take profits and to manage stop loss, manage risk completely on autopilot, as the name suggests, for you. So all you need to do, of course, after smashing the like button, is set the bot up, connect it to Telegram and your trading account, and the bot will do everything else. And I've been using this bot for over 2 months now, and it has produced great profits. I started this account with $2,500. The account now is nearly at $7,500, so some great profits. But of course, previous profits don't guarantee future profits, and using a trading bot still carries risk. But of course, like 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏 says, it beats 99% of retail traders. So let's look at what this bot does, how it works, and how you can get started. First up, set your trading to autopilot. So it says, use our AI-powered crypto trading bots to automate trade signals and outperform nearly everyone in the market. As you probably know, most retail traders, 98, 99%, do not make profit. They're not consistently profit. Anyone can make a profit this day, this week, or potentially this month. But really, in order to be consistent, it's down to the bots, let's be honest. Now, the main benefits of 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏 is you can monitor trading bot activity and data with Telegram. So I'm going to show you how it works on Telegram in a moment. It allows you to manage your own risk and exposure with complete ease. It's secure and easy. So basically, you keep your funds in your own secure trading account. You don't send any funds to 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏. You keep them in your own secure trading account, and the bot connects via a secure API connection. More on that shortly. Can start in minutes, completely beginner friendly. And of course, not only is the bot trading for you, you're getting the signals. So if you want to take manual, if you want to stop a trade, if you want to add to the trade, if you want to do your own trade in addition, you can do as well. And 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏 do offer a completely free 7-day trial with no commitment, so no credit card details. And by the way, if you are going to try it out, do use the link in the video description down below. You will get a free trial, no credit card. And if you do want to sign up for 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏, we'll go through the plans later, use code BOT50 at the checkout. That way you will get 50% off on your first month's membership. Now, there is a free version as well, just so you know. It's a Telegram channel, and that will give you all pilot bot signals. There's 3 different bots, but this will give you pilot bot signals, and we're going to go over the different bots. But bear in mind, they will not be automated, and you cannot manage your risk. It's just a trade signals group. But I suggest to join that anyway. So let's look at 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏 a bit further, and then I'll be showing you how all the bots work on Telegram. So these are the main features. You earn passive returns with compounded interest. So let's say you've got $1,000 and next week you've got $1,200, for example. Well, then your profit's going to be based then on the $1,200, and it compounds up. Professional risk and money management, of course, crucial for making medium to long-term profits. The trading bots are fully integrated with Telegram. So 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏 has its own Telegram bots. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you that. And the setup is super easy, beginner friendly. You do not need to know a thing about trading or even really crypto to use 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏, one of the best things about it. So let's look at what the automated trading is all about. Set your trading to autopilot with smart trading bot solutions. Connect your trading account securely. So we covered that. You get notified on the trade signals instantly. So it's simultaneous. You get the signal sent to Telegram. This is after setup. And then the bot will trade on your trading account. It will manage by using a stop loss and a take profit. So you don't need to worry about a thing. Why choose 𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏? Well, it's a profitable and proficient solution to trading. Don't miss signals. It's secure, it's transparent, it allows you to hodl while you trade and make profit. Professional risk management, stay in 100% control, and of course you're using the power of AI. AI is far superior at trading than any human. Now, these are their plans, but like I said, there is a completely free trial to start with. You can see that by going to plans, sorry, not by plans, but on the homepage, start your free trial. If you click that, you won't even need to put a credit card details in, and you can start a 7-day free trial. But if you want to know about the plans, the most popular plan is by far the pilot plan, and you can select either annually and you get 33% off, or you can select monthly, and the prices, in my opinion, are still very, very good, particularly if you're going to trade at least $1,000. I mean, the profits should, of course, on average, way outperform the plan fees. And you can see pilot includes all the bots: pilot bot, ladder bot, top trader bot, and arbitrage bot, and you can trade up to $50,000 as well. For those that need a little bit more, like an unlimited trading balance, opt for captain. It seems like the much better option there. So on to the actual bots themselves. Let me take you over to Telegram. So this is how it works. You have all your bots set up. Once you've purchased a plan or done your free trial, you'll go through the onboarding process, which is very easy. There's tutorial videos, and their customer service is, quite frankly, brilliant, very helpful. They'll make sure you get set up if you can't do it yourself, which is quite easy. But this is what it's all about. So first up, CryptoPilot AI bot signals. So this is what I was talking about, the free signals. So this is not automated, and you can't manage your risk. This is more of a signals group, and you can access that through this link here. Join the free bot signals group. But for the actual bots themselves, you've got pilot bot. So let me show you what pilot bot is all about. So you can start your bot up by just pressing start, and you've got the options. Well, first of all, you can watch a video how to use pilot bot, but I'm going to show you as well. So you can manage your own risk. You can click on that, and you can see that it gives you the options between 1 and 10%. Now, what that percentage represents is the total potential exposure you have to loss per trade. So for example, if you had $1,000 in your account and you wanted to set 5%, that would mean that the very maximum that you can lose per trade is $50 from that 1,000. It's per trade. You cannot lose any more than $50. So it's very, very important that the bot does this for you, because it knows what to set as a stop loss because of the signal. It will do it for you all on autopilot. You just need to tell them what you're happy with. Now, obviously, the higher risk you choose, for example, 10%, it will ensure your profits are higher, but of course the losses can be higher per trade as well. The most common option, I understand, is somewhere between 5 and 7%. I've been using 8%. I'm a little bit more risk averse, let's say, or risk on. So that's managing risk. And then status. Status is cool because it allows you to see your balance, see your UID, and basically make sure you're connected and so forth. You can see open trades. So at the moment, at time of recording, there's 3 open positions. One is at a bit of a loss at the moment, but it's not to worry because PilotBot is managing the risk, and if it needs to make a stop loss, it will. But one is in profit, and I've got one in a small loss here. Now we can go to close trades, and this is obviously going to show you some of the results as well, which is really cool. So let's have a look here at PilotBot. So from the last 5 closed, 100% win rate, not bad, and 62% return on equity. So that's the equity that's been used by PilotBot, and it's returned 62%. Last 10 trades, 80% win rate, very good, and a 42% ROE, same thing really. Last 15 trades, 80% win rate, 51.4% return on equity. And from the last 20, we have a 75% win rate. So you can see more medium long term, the results become more true, and they are very, very good results. On average, CryptoPilot do about 50% return, but that's across 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. So let's move on to the other bots and see what they're all about as well. So as you can see on the website, by going to automated trading, you can read about the bots here. And we're going to move on to ladderbot now. So ladderbot is designed to buy and sell in intervals, reducing the risk of trading losses. So pilotbot has its own unique strategy, also using AI. Ladderbot uses AI as well, but ladderbot basically can ladder into a position to ensure that maximized profits are in play. So going back to Telegram, here's our ladderbot, and we can see if there's any open trades at the moment, of which there's one small loss at the moment. If we look at closed trades on ladderbot, let's have a look here. So last 5 here, we're in a slight loss, but last 10, we are in profit, 13.5%, and the last 15 also in very nice profit here. So let's press start on the ladderbot here. Now ladderbot, you don't manage your own risk because laddering, it does it all for you. All you need to worry about is your open and closed trades. It literally entirely an automated bot, and it's actually CryptoPilot's most profitable bot. Now that brings us on to Top Trader Bot. Now Top Trader Bot is super cool. It's like copy trading, but without the fees essentially, and it also allows you to copy traders that are otherwise full. The best traders, if you've ever tried copy trading, their profiles are always full. So introducing our state-of-the-art copy trading software that allows users to automatically copy the world's best traders. So over onto Telegram again, where all the bots are, we can see here by pressing start, we can configure our bot and we can choose our own leverage. You can select lead, so that will be the master trader's leverage. So that's what I would recommend, but you can select leverage between 1 and 10. The other thing you can do here on configuration is choose the percentage of balance you wish to use for each trade. Most people will use between 5 and 7. And then of course you can pick your trader. Now CryptoPilot picks the best traders. They're all from Binance, but you're copying them from either your BYBIT or KuCoin account. And by the way, guys, the main used crypto exchange for CryptoPilot is BYBIT, and you will be given the link to sign up for them in the onboarding. But if you want to sign up with BYBIT now, do use the link in the video description, because there is up to $30,000 in bonus and 0 fees for a whole month when you use that specific link down there. And back to Top Trader, you can see some of the results that I have. I've been following someone called 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. You could look at the closed trades. I've got about 40% profit, 80% win rate from this particular trader. So it's all round going very, very well. So to summarize, CryptoPilot, guys, it will automate all your trading. There's no 100% guarantee like there isn't in anything in trading and investing, but if you use an AI trading bot like CryptoPilot, you are going to be beating, on average, 99% of the market. I highly recommend it. I've been using it. I think their fees are very, very reasonable, very, very good value for the technology they have. They're managing risk, and they're also entirely beginner friendly. So guys, links in the video description down below. If you have any questions, please just leave them in the comments. And you can check out any one of these other videos on screen before you go. Thanks, guys. See you on another one soon. Take care. Bye-bye.